to go back to school. That's what it is. He just wants to go back to school.
Hi guys, my name is Alia Hall, new face here on the Dutty Berry Show. And today we're in Westmoreland at the Petersfield High School that's currently being used as a shelter for those affected by Hurricane Melissa. Today we're going to explore the stories of those who are here, from the highs to the lows and everything in between. Hi, can you introduce yourself for us and tell us where you're from?
Oh, hi, I'm Yanique Sergio. I am from Hartford, Westmoreland.
Okay, Yanique. So can you tell us a little about what life was like before Melissa hit and what your experience has been at the shelter now?
All right, for me, life before Melissa, it was normal. It was a everyday, like, everything was normal. But since Melissa came, everything has been different, meaning that I I lose practically everything. My whole stock went. I lose my chickens in my fall coop and so forth. So it was kind of difficult and hard. But I'm trying to pick up the pieces, not to really worry because sometimes make you feel stressed and make you feel like you wonder where next to turn to or where to go. But otherwise, from that, I'm thanking God, thanking Almighty God for sparing my life throughout this disaster.
So how do you find the facilities here in regards to bedding, water, food? What has that been like?
All right, for me, it's difficult. As I said, it was difficult. It is difficult at the moment, but to find, I'm here to get medical for my son because he's not feeling so well, which the doctor hasn't come as yet. But otherwise, I think it's okay because other person have received medical attention, which is good. So, and water is provided at the school, so I don't find any like it is so difficult because people are really reaching out and helping people along the way. So it is good.
So how long have you been staying here?
I'm not staying here, but I live close by because as I said, my roof went. I have to stay in my bathroom for a couple of days with my 3 children and my husband. But I came here just to get some assistance, meaning in some medical assistance at the moment right now.
All right, so talk to us about why you made the decision to kind of stay at home versus living here at the shelter. Like,
Because a lot of people are staying here. And I feel to myself that the environment is not suitable for a lot of people to be here. So staying home, I try to see if I could pick up the pieces there to try to get my roof back on and so forth, which is difficult. But I don't find it really, really hard like that. But to look at it, you have to just thank God. Just look back at it, you have to just thank God.
so you're a mom of 3 beautiful boys. You know, earlier I heard you telling them to stop running up and down in the rain. So what I want to know is, do you think that your children are aware of what really is happening? And how do you treat that as a mother?
All right. The two biggest one, which is 15 and 9, they understand because my second son like, Mommy, this is a disaster. Everything has been mashed up. People are homeless and so forth. So they see everything full-handed. They see the breeze was blowing and all these things. So they would have understand what is really happening. Zinc was flying, neighbor's roof was off and everything. So they understand everything first-handed to see what really happened. But otherwise, they'll realize that other people are affected, not just us, so they're coping. Just that my first son just really wants to go back to school. That's what it is. He just wants to go back to school because he's in the cadet force and he's supposed to get his uniform, so he really wants to come back to school.
So big things for go on for him and Melissa just mash up that.
Yes, because he was talking about getting his cadet suit and the shoes and everything. He was going to be up there, so he was excited about it. But otherwise, my second son realized that his school roof is off, so going back to school is not a must for right now. The electricity is no more, so the night has been hot, the mosquitoes and everything, but they would have realized and understand that everyone is going through the same thing because they're seeing their friends, they're seeing everybody around them going through the same emotions. So everybody is trying to cope at the moment.
So how do you keep your spirits up and the spirits of your family up in these times?
All right, I have my neighbors. And as I said, everyone is in the same situation where their roof went. So everyone is really trying to talk with each other. If you never talk to anyone, it's like a communication at the moment with everyone. So it's really good. Everyone is reaching out to everyone. Even get a drop of water, they try to share it. So it's not bad. It's not bad. We are trying to cope.
Community is essential. So if we say, the community wanted to reach out to give you some help, how could they get in contact?
All right. So as I said, I live in Hartford, right, at the New Testament Church. And my number is 519-1412. Yes, that's my number.
All right, thank you so
Because
much.
the assistant would be great, because myself and the neighbors in my community really need some like zinc and plies and all these things to really get back up on their feet. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing with me. You've heard the stories, so if you can't help somebody, reach out because it takes a village. I'm your girl Alia Hall. You can find me at _Alia Hall _. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.